Hi guys, I hope all of you guys are well, happy, healthy. This video is the continuation of the job I did a while ago. I went for a service call, the system was frozen. The company installed the system, did a really bad job. So she was unsuccessful to get the company come back and do the job right. So she called me and she said if I can come do the job for her. So I'm going there today to do the job, change the platinum boxes for her. And I'd like to take you guys along with me and see how can we do the job right and how can we remove everything and install new platinum boxes. Stay with me. Hopefully I get there soon and we continue this video together. Thank you. So as you guys see that how much roof cement they use around the platinum box. You don't use roof cement when you're installing a platinum box. You use Glencoe. So roof cement is for when you're installing a flashing or around the platform you put roof cement, not on the unit. So this is one of the mistakes they did. We keep watching and we go along and see how much more things that we find is wrong with it. Besides that, they used very old platinum box. When you replacing a package unit, you always replacing the platinum boxes. So stay with us. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. In meantime, please don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. That will help us. Wow, identical. Okay guys, so as you guys see, open the top. Now you can see how bad was the inside. Sorry, there's not too much light here. Let me see if I can position my camera somehow. So all these insulation from inside clubs, it block the airflow, and this is how they work. And you can tell that how bad is this insulation. It's probably 60-50 years old, and they don't have decency to just either replace the insulation or replace the platinum boxes. This is the things I got it out. Look at this. They put a little bit of spray glue. This one was loose from the beginning and they knew that this is not good. They put the spray glue so they can stick it temporarily at the platinum box. Let me put it this way so you guys can see with a little light. You see that? The spray glue, just barely. You see a little bit glue, not anywhere else, just a little bit. It was so cheap that they didn't even want to use a little bit more glue so it can stick better. Look at this. And then they came back here. I told her that nothing is wrong with these platinum boxes, just the expansion valve is bad. So she has to replace the expansion valve. And they blame the manufacturer for their messed up job. Okay, I guess. So you can pray to God that you don't hire somebody like them to do your job. Inside the platinum box is full of what do you call it? Sand. Give me an hour.
put a screw in here. Screw punch. Everything is good. It's just roof cement, I guess. You know what? They empty one tank, gallon of caulking under this. It's connected to the caulking. You see? It's like full of caulking in the bottom.
Yeah, here too, this everywhere.
No, that's a one thing. Is they use caulking. In the, can you just see, put it?
I think you have to.
Yeah, this way.
There's a lot of shit in there. Will not work out. You just take this shit off here from this side. Alright.
Bye. If they spend that much time putting that much roof cement and glue, Glencore around this unit, actually doing their job right, probably I wouldn't be here right now. What they did here, the beginning. You done with the hammer?
Yeah.
No idea how to get these out.
Yeah, I think the best way is to make sure the circle is disconnected.
I have to cut the screws from the bottom. And this is a 5-ton system, and they have only 14-inch. What is this, 14-inch?
Looks like 14 to me too. I'll change this to 16.
You have to again because there's no attic here. Wow, guys. This between the two planning boxes, they put a sheet metal between the two planning, but there was used to be one big planning box. They put this metal here so they can divide the return from the supply. So this is all.
Is he give me the hammer for a second?
Install it, then it's gonna take us to demolish it.
Yeah, we have to open this hose basically. باش بالك مهم ميت إذا مثال زميلي يجون من يمشي. Things like that.
Kazanmayı bir daha kadar çıkıyor.
سمير مشي. مش كبير
Saç
سالش.
atıyor bir geri. There's no power here.
مش كبار خزرون خنا بيجريم از رايت ريتيرن.
Alright guys, so let's talk about this job a little bit before I go back tomorrow and install my new planner boxes and reconnect everything to the system. First, let's talk about what happened. The lady called me like a month and a half ago, asked me to come and check her air conditioning is not working. When I went there, as you guys saw the video before this one, the system was completely frozen. So we diagnosed the system, we checked everything, and we found out that part of insulation from the planner box broke off and got in front of the return opening and blocked the airflow. So I moved that and cleaned up everything. I moved all the loose material from inside the planner box. When I talked to the lady, I said, this is the problem. The planner box is old, the installations are falling apart, and this guy's supposed to, when he change the system, he's supposed to change the planner boxes too. But he didn't. He used the existing one that is like probably 30 years old or something. Anyway, so she said, okay, she called the company back and forth past 1.5 months, till like a week ago. And then they sent a technician and said, no, nothing is wrong with the system. It's just the expansion valve is bad. It's gonna cost you $500 to $700 to replace the expansion valve. Anyway, she called me back and said, you know what, this is what they say. You know, I want you to come fix this. I don't want to deal with these people. So we went today. I started moving the planner boxes because I knew that's the problem. And because I knew, like I said, the return is like that. The supplies obviously is the same thing. So when I opened the supply box, as you guys saw the video, was exactly the same thing. Big chunk of insulation was broke off and blocked the air supply. I mean the supply air too. I will replace the planen boxes. I will replace as much as I can the part of the pipes are coming down from the ceiling. This one doesn't have an attic, so I can just take the entire thing off. I wish I could do that, but there is no attic. It's just the roof and there's the ceiling. You have just like a soffit. The ductwork goes inside the soffit. There is no access to the ductwork from the bottom. The only access you have is from the roof. So I cannot do much on the round pipes. If I touch the round pipes, I will probably damage the roof because the flashings are coming up and it's just right there. As soon as I touch that, everything will, then we have to bring a roofer to fix that, and that's a very expensive roofing. They're touching that as a major problem. So I wish I had any alternative way to do the job. But if you guys know something better to do like that, write a comment down below. So next job I know what to do. But I will probably put a square metal on top of the flashing, cut the middle of it, place it on top of the start colors, screw it from the bottom, make it nice clear, put bubble wrap or insulation to make sure that this keep the temperature, and then cut the planen box, sit on it and screw it back from the bottom and seal it. That's the only solution I can think of to do it right, so it doesn't leak, and also I can adjust everything right. It's that way. But I don't want to put a round elbow, because if I put a round elbow, that pipe is only 16 inches. It's a 5-ton system. Minimum requirement for a system like opening like that is a 18-inch, 20-inch. And if I put a 16-inch elbow with 1.5-inch insulation inside, then it will give me only less 12 and a half or maximum 13 inches. That's not enough, so it's gonna be the same problem. The unit will freeze. So the only way I can do it to just go with like the other unit they did, with 2 square planen boxes, and then tap it from the bottom, but do a better job than this guy did. This guy, I don't know, he was a butcher than air conditioning. So that's one. And then also I don't want to put 4x4 or anything under the unit, because I will raise the unit higher, then I have to extend the pipes up, and then I will not have insulation. So that's create another problem. So I would like to keep the unit pretty much the same level, only I will put rubber pads under the unit between the platform and unit, and then reconnect everything back to the, set the unit on the 1-inch 4x4 by 1-inch isolator pads. So that's what I will do. Wait for the next part, or probably I do it in this video or next video. I'll show you guys how I will do the job. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. That will help me to build my channel, and that will give me more energy to bring you guys better videos too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys at the job site.